Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Desi Ubtan at home, an easy and natural way to achieve radiant skin. This traditional beauty secret, passed down through generations, offers incredible benefits. Ubtan naturally exfoliates, deeply cleanses and brightens your complexion, leaving it feeling refreshed and looking vibrant. It's a wonderful, chemical-free alternative for glowing skin. Let's start by gathering our dry ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of gram flour, also known as besan, as the foundation for your Ubtan. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is fantastic for brightening your skin. For a soothing touch and a lovely fragrance, include 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. If you desire extra nourishment, consider adding 1 tablespoon of finely ground almond powder. Now it's time to bring your Ubtan to life by adding wet ingredients. Gradually pour in your chosen liquid such as milk, rose water, or yogurt, stirring continuously. Aim for a smooth, thick, and easily spreadable paste consistency. If your skin tends to be dry, you can enhance the mixture by adding a few drops of a nourishing oil, like sesame oil, for extra hydration and a supple feel. With your Ubtan ready, apply the paste evenly to your clean face and body, avoiding the delicate eye area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the natural ingredients to work their magic as it semi-dries. Before rinsing, gently scrub your skin in circular motions to exfoliate. Finally, wash it off with lukewarm water to reveal naturally bright, smooth, and deeply cleansed skin. Use this simple Ubtan 1 or 2 times a week for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.